Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can download Rise of Eros mobile version on any iOS and Android device for free. I will show you step by step how I did it. It's pretty simple and everybody can do it. So if we go back guys, I can show you exactly how to get it on any iOS and Android device for free. All you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser and you need to go to injectserver.com. This is the only website guys that you can download the Rise of Eros game mobile version on any iOS and Android device. After you go to injectserver.com, at the search box, just write Rise of Eros and click done. Sorry about that. Rise of Eros and click done. Now scroll down till the end, you should find the game, and here it is guys. Rise of Eros mobile. Download and play Rise of Eros mobile version on any iOS and Android device for free. If your device is compatible, you just click install. As you saw, I already have downloaded the game guys. I'm just showing you exactly the steps that I followed to get a Rise of Eros game on my iPhone and my Android device. So if you have an iOS or Android device, the steps are the same guys. Even if you have an Android or tablet or iPad, all the steps are the same for any device. I will explain you the final step guys that you need to do to get the game on your mobile phone or tablet. You need to verify your device. To verify your device is pretty simple because I did it before. You just need to follow the instructions of two apps. So let's say that this app, it says download, install and run it for 30 seconds. So you download this app from the official App Store or Play Store. As you can see, it's completely free. So you download the app guys. And when it finishes installation, you just follow the instructions that you need to use it for about 30 seconds. So it's better if you use it for about 40 seconds. After you use it for about 40 seconds, you go back and you check if you have the Rise of Eros mobile game installed on your device. If not, just go back and select another application and follow the instructions. Like this one, you just need to sign up by putting your email and add an event. Simple as that guys. If you do 2-3 apps, you will see that the game will get installed in the background. And after you verify those applications, you can just delete the apps that you downloaded, like I have already done it. I verified these apps and I didn't need them anymore. After I got Rise of Eros, I just deleted the apps. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video tutorial on how to download Rise of Eros on iOS and iPhone and any other iOS or Android device. Goodbye.